Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list.
Hello, good morning from Music Villa in Bozeman, Montana. My name is Tony and I'm here to show you the D18 Golden Era. Before we get started today, I do encourage you to sign up for the Acoustic letter. You will receive price lists, photos, videos of some of the coolest custom guitars that we get in here every week. On to the D18 Golden Era. This is a guitar that, well, to be honest, I really want it. Among all the guitars that we demo, this is one that just has stolen my heart. It is a phenomenal Martin guitar based on Martin's Golden Era, hence the name D18 Golden Era, from the 1930s to the 1940s. It kind of grabs all of the cool appointments during that era and plops them into one awesome guitar. Got a solid Adirondack spruce top paired with a high quality solid mahogany back and sides. Adirondack spruce bracing that is cut in a Golden Era fashion and shifted forward for a little bit more bass response. A long through-cut saddle on an ebony bridge made out of fossilized ivory. Nice wide 1 3/4 nut to adhere to those vintage specs, along with a nice fat kind of a V-neck. Ebony fingerboard with very subtle appointments as were done in the 1930s. We have a fossilized ivory 1 3/4 inch nut. We have a Brazilian rosewood head cap with the old school decal. Really high quality Waverly open gear tuners to again kind of have that vintage appeal. It is very boomy. It will cut through a jam. Its single notes kind of pop right out. It's one of those guitars that, well, let's just put it this way. I really want it. I get to try a lot of guitars, and this one definitely takes the cake for me. So let's give it a listen. Thanks for listening to the D18 Golden Era. Again, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And again, don't forget to sign up for the Acoustic letter. Thanks for watching.